Hey guys, so this is part of my Learn Music Theory series where I'm going to teach you music theory starting at a beginning level into an advanced level of music theory. So today we're going to talk about some of the basics and some symbols that we need to know to start understanding music theory on our written music. So if we look over here, we have these lines that you can see, and you'll see that on your music sheet. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines and 4 spaces. So that is called a staff. So much like you have a piece of writing paper that you write words on, you have a piece of music paper that you write notes on. And so those lines are called a staff, right here. So then we also have these symbols here. The first symbol right here is called a treble clef. And it's just something we have to memorize. This is just a treble clef. And that treble clef is used, for example, I'm a guitar player. So when I play music or read music, I'm reading in treble clef. My notes are in treble clef. And then we have this one right here, kind of like a backwards weird question mark. That is a bass clef. So if you were a bass guitar player, for example, you would read your notes in bass clef. So all of the notes would be written on these lines, and the symbol would tell you which instrument is to play those notes, so that you know where to find them. Pretty simple. And then sometimes you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines. Sometimes those lines will extend above or below, and we call those ledger lines. So there's these lines down here that I've written, these lines up here that I've written. Those are called ledger lines. Alright? And often you'll see something that looks a little like this. Let me just erase this really quick. You'll see another set. Another set of 5 lines. And you'll see your treble clef here. And then you'll see your bass clef down there. This is what's called a grand staff. When in music it shows these two staffs together with some notes on it. That's called a grand staff. Alright, so key things you gotta remember. The lines are called a staff. The symbols that you may see at the beginning of the lines is a treble clef or a bass clef. Now there are other clefs for different instruments, but we're not going to get into that into this video. So we'll see you in the next video.